Good morning, everyone. My name is Sharifah Hashim Erina Binti Saishim, and I'm from SK Sri Songsang Temeloh. Today, I will be talking about how science make our life easier every day. Firstly, science help us communicate. For example, we use smartphone and computer to talk to our friends and family. For example, even when they are far away. Without science, these things would not exist. Secondly, science helps us stay healthy. Doctors use science to discover new medicine and treatment. Vaccine and medicine keep us safe from diseases and, and help us live longer life. Lastly, science is important in transportation. Car, buses, and planes are all inventions of science. Thanks to this, we can travel long distances and quickly and safely. In conclusion, science helps us communicate, stay healthy, and travel. It makes our life easier in so many ways. Thank you.